In today's video, I'll show you how to add tags in Jobber to organize your client information quickly and efficiently. Make sure to subscribe for more workflow tips. First, open your browser and go to Jobber. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once inside, head over to your client list and select the client you want to tag. In their profile, look for the tags section. Click the plus new tag button and type in your desired tag. This could be something like Veep, needs follow-up, industry type, or location. Whatever helps you organize your clients better. Press enter or click add to save the tag. Finally, don't forget to save changes in the client profile. Now your client is tagged, making it easier to filter, sort, and manage your list efficiently. And that's it. Adding tags in Jobber is a simple way to streamline your workflow and keep your client info organized.